Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll teach you how to make your desktop be standing up instead of laying down. Right now it is laying down. It's 16:9 and not 9:16. I'm going to show you how to alter that. You're going to go to your background, your desktop here, and say right click, NVIDIA control panel, and this is going to pop. This is going to say rotate image. As you can see here, this is Danish. This is lying down, and this says standing up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press standing up, and as you can see here now the image changes. This is a monitor, and I'm going to click apply, and as you can see here now my desktop has been flipped, so now it is standing up. This is quite good for Spotify or Discord. And now I need to change my head so I can look at this. Change back in 7 6. Holy shit, I can't even control my mouse. As you can see here, it's going to change back in just a second. Now I can use my mouse again. And that's it. So if you want to use that for Discord or Spotify or whatever, just press yes after it and it won't change back. And it's really that simple. Now thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.